Hey there, fellow adventure seekers. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, I want to take you on a journey to a hidden gem nestled in the heart of India, the enchanting city of Rishikesh. From serene landscapes to adrenaline-pumping activities, Rishikesh has it all. So, grab your backpacks, because this is going to be an unforgettable ride. Rishikesh, located in the northern state of Uttarakhand, is often referred to as the yoga capital of the world. It's surrounded by the majestic Himalayan foothills, with the mighty Ganges River flowing through its heart. Now, let's dive into the wonders of Rishikesh. One of the most mesmerizing features of Rishikesh is the sacred Ganges River. It is believed that a dip in these holy waters can wash away sins and purify the soul. People from all around the world come here to experience the spiritual rejuvenation that the Ganges offers. The iconic suspension bridge, Lakshman Jhula, stretches across the river, providing breathtaking views and serving as a symbol of Rishikesh's spirituality. As the yoga capital, Rishikesh attracts yoga enthusiasts from every corner of the globe. Here, you'll find world-renowned yogis, top-notch yoga schools, and tranquil ashrams. Imagine starting your day with sunrise yoga sessions amidst the serene Himalayan backdrop, gifting you a sense of inner peace and harmony like never before. Rishikesh doesn't only cater to the spiritual seekers. It's also an adventurer's paradise. Brace yourself for an adrenaline rush like no other. From whitewater rafting in the rapids of the Ganges to embarking on thrilling treks through the Himalayas, there's no shortage of adventure here. And if you're into rock climbing or bungee jumping, Rishikesh has got you covered as well. Now, let's take a break from all the excitement and explore Rishikesh's vibrant local markets. The narrow streets are filled with colorful textiles, traditional handicrafts, and unique souvenirs. Don't forget to indulge in the local cuisine, including mouth-watering street food like chaat, momus, and famous Indian sweets like jalebi. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. As the sun sets over Rishikesh, let's bask in the tranquility of its natural beauty. Sit by the riverbanks, meditate amidst lush greenery, or witness the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti ceremony. The aura of spirituality combined with the breathtaking sceneries will leave you in awe and fill your heart with serenity. Rishikesh's vibrant culture and traditions are best experienced during its festivals. If you're lucky enough to visit during festivals like Diwali or Holi, you'll find the streets alive with joy, music, and dance. Immerse yourself in the festivities and witness the fusion of spiritual fervor and cultural celebrations. Rishikesh is a place that embraces both the seeker of peace and the adrenaline junkie in you. It's a destination where spirituality, adventure, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. So, whether you're looking to reconnect with yourself or create unforgettable memories, Rishikesh is calling. Thank you for joining me on this virtual journey to Rishikesh. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.